Home remedies for cough and core throat. For less serious illnesses and conditions, homemade cures can help relieve cough and other symptoms. Eat a healthy diet and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Water thins mucus from the lungs, making it easier to separate, and the cough gets out. If you have a cough, you should avoid strong spices, excessive salt, industrially processed foods, and carbonated beverages, as they can further irritate the respiratory tract and cause coughing. How to treat cough and core throat naturally at your home. Homemade cures for cough and core throat. 1. Figs to soothe your throat. Figs have a pleasant flavor and can be eaten all day long. Boil 5 to 6 figs in 1 liter of milk for a few minutes. Then with the strained milk gargle to rinse your mouth and throat too. Olive oil for coughing. Use olive oil in salads and cooking. A snack of olives every day. For a cough suppressant, mix 2 egg yolks and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and stir well. For coughing, take 1 tablespoon. 3. Garlic and honey are effective cough suppressants. Put a few cloves of garlic, chopped, in a pan, and add a teaspoon of homemade honey. Mix everything well, then eat 1 teaspoon every hour. 4. Quince for core throat. The syrup is made by cleaning, peeling, and juicing a kilogram of quince. Add an equal amount of sugar to the juice and let stand until the sugar dissolves well. Mix well and drink the juice several times a day. You can drink it as medicine or cleanse your lungs. 5. Radish for cough relief. Radish is great as a salad and as an addition to dishes. It is used to relieve cough. Wash the radishes well and hollow out the underside, then arrange them in a deep dish and add sugar or honey. Let it stand for 24 hours. Then take 1 tablespoon every hour of the syrup that has been released. The syrup calms the cough and softens the phlegm, and helps the phlegm to be coughed up. 6. Celery cures cough. The most effective method is to boil 25 grams of celery leaves in milk for 10 minutes and strain 2 to 3 cups in the morning, on an empty stomach, and between meals. 7. Cabbage soothes stubborn coughs. Cabbage calms the bronchi and relieves a persistent cough. Squeeze about 1 pound of red cabbage juice and add 1 pound of sugar or honey to prepare red cabbage syrup. Mix everything well and boil for a few minutes. Take 3 scoops daily.